Okay, so this video is going to be kind of in a random order because I shifted gears after I started. So for this tumbler, I am going to use this vinyl, which is a clear, and this decal, and I may mention that again in a minute, and I'm going to put it on a 20-ounce skinny. So now I'm going to go back to where this video actually started and continue from there. Hi guys, it's Ray. I am doing a new tumbler today. I want to use this vinyl with its matching decal from Butterfly Lane Designs. It just says she is strong. I have a 20-ounce tumbler painted white to start with. I'm going to mix some of this glitter from LMNOP Design Boutique into my first layer of epoxy. This is creamsicle. Okay, so my epoxy is mixed. I'm going to put some of the glitter on top. I'm not going to really measure. I'm just going to dump in a good amount, but not too much. And this is kind of an iridescent glitter, so it's going to go all different colors. Too much for this little cup, but that's fine. I did have that like really super fine pale coral that I got from TEMU. And that was my initial thought for this cup, but I can't figure out where I put that little thing. I'm hoping I didn't throw it away, especially since I already brought the trash out. So hopefully it'll turn up somewhere, but this was my next best alternative. So we're just gonna get this applied, and it should all lay down on the first coat, hopefully. And actually, now that I'm seeing it separated out on the cup, I don't know that I'm going to like it. So this cup may end up being for something else entirely. I really should have dumped it out on a piece of paper and looked at it, but well, that is my own fault. Okay, so I'm going to switch gears, like I said, and I'm actually going to use this vinyl on top of this one with this decal. I'm pretty sure I seized the wrong day. So I'm going to trim down my decal, and these are from Butterfly Lane Designs. I'm pretty sure I seized the wrong day, is what the decal says. And then this is the beautiful vinyl that goes with it. So I'm just going to trim the excess off the top to start. And here's the tumbler with that glitter on it. So I'm going to apply the decal first. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure up for my vinyl. So I have about 4 1/4. to play with. So I'm going to fold a little piece back here. Maybe. See how this is clear? That's why it has to be any light base. I don't want it, even though this is a straight tumbler, they do start to curve at the bottom a little bit, and I don't want it I don't want it crinkling over that curve. So I'm going to get it started. See how that's going to show through there on the clear? But it's a light enough glitter that it's fine. And it's got all of these colors in the decal. Beautiful. And I am going to grab a blade and trim this because it's clear. I don't want that little bit of an overlap. So I'm going to cut right down that edge of the overlap because I can pretty clearly see it since it is in fact clear. There we go. And I'm lined up pretty well. I'm pretty happy with that. Got my box of nail tapes. I think we're just going to go straight for the purpley or pink one. Let me grab the green and look at that too. Even the blue. I may go with the green. The green and the purple. Maybe green here and purple here. I think that's what I'll do. I usually match them, but I think in this case, I'm going to split them up. Okay, my epoxy is mixed and ready. I am not going to put any type of additive in this. Since it was a clear vinyl, I'm just going to do a regular clear coat of epoxy. So for the fact that this was not the original plan for this vinyl and this decal, and it was an oopsie last minute change of plans, I am super pleased with this. I absolutely love, love, love this decal. And this clear vinyl is absolutely stunning. And the glitter underneath it is absolutely perfect. Doesn't interfere with the print at all, but gives a little bit of a sparkle. And the bottom's just got white with the little hint of the glitter. So that is it for this one. I hope you like it. I know I love it. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.